Who's at fault if you hit a cop speeding through a red light?
It's hard to know where that police officer
Where he was coming
anyway.
from, yeah.
Maybe he was taking a left right there. I don't know.
Yeah, it's hard to tell. No, he couldn't have been taking a left. Oh, he was coming this way. He was coming
yeah,
towards
it makes
us.
sense in terms of how he ended up where he did.
So we can't see if he cleared the intersection. It's hard to tell.
I tell you, these intersection cases involving lights and sirens, police officers, ambulance, fire trucks, whatever it may be, they're tough cases. It's tough to kind of gauge who is at fault, and generally everybody's a little bit at fault. Who is this guy that comes up with the black leather gloves?
Some guy came right out of the 80s.
Who is this guy? And he's got like, I think, a pager on his, is this guy the Terminator? Witness number one is this guy in the black leather gloves and the whitewashed jeans, that Reese from Terminator.